Nagios Network Analyzer 2026R1.3 delivers new features and improvements to enhance your network monitoring experience. Starting off, the installation process receives a complete UI/UX refresh, streamlining initial setup for new deployments. For Nmap, we added the ability for graphs to be interactive and clickable. We also added a dedicated Nmap scheduled scan page. Nmap scan results now display operating system information for detected hosts, providing deeper visibility into your network infrastructure. Lastly, end of creation now includes timestamps in scan names, making it easier to track and compare scans over time. For administrators, we introduced a Nagios admin password reset script, simplifying account recovery when needed. Security and authentication improvements include certificate validation options for AD and LDAP server authentication. Dashboard visualization is updated with additional color options for dashboard charts, improving readability when displaying multiple data series. For alerting, traffic profiles is now available for flow source checks. For system checks, Laravel worker health checks have been added. We've also implemented various bug fixes and improvements to enhance overall stability and performances. For more information on this release, visit the changelog at nagios.com/changelog.